Since we had leftover biscuits from our biscuits and gravy, we're going to make another sauce for breakfast. This is called egg butter. You can use it on biscuits, pancakes, waffles. It's a alternative for syrups that we make in my family. So here's the recipe. Take 1 cup of sugar. There's a vanilla bean in that sugar.
Okay.
Which one? 1 egg. And mix the sugar and the egg until creamy. Well mixed, turn on to medium-high heat, and you're going to heat the egg butter until just before it starts to boil. You don't want to let it boil because you'll curdle the eggs, but you continue to whisk. So just as it starts to come to a simmer, add 2 tablespoons of butter and stir in to combine. So at this point, once the butter is melted, you can turn off the heat. Add the vanilla. About a teaspoon or so. All to taste. And the secret ingredient, nutmeg. We like the whole nutmegs instead of buying the pre-ground. The flavor is much more intense and they tend to keep longer if you don't use nutmeg as often, but we use a lot of nutmeg, so we buy a lot of them. And that's all there is to egg butter. And there you have biscuits with egg butter. Again, this is perfect on homemade biscuits or pancakes or even waffles. Pretty much anything you would eat syrup on, you can use egg butter on. Really nice and spicy and sweet. Good way to get a cold morning started when it's winter time. That is my favorite breakfast. If you like the video, subscribe please. Give us a like down at the bottom. Have a good day.